Hello friends, we are discussing complex integration. In that, we have discussed Cauchy's theorem and Cauchy integral formulas. Now, let us proceed with the Cauchy residue theorem. It says, if function fz is analytic on and within curve or contour, we can say curve C, except at some finite singularities. Singularities are the points at which function is not analytic. So except at some finite singularities, then integration over the closed curve C f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I times sum of residues at those singularities. That is, if A1, A2 and so on An are singularities or poles, then R1 is R1, R2 and so on Rn are residues at those poles respectively. Then Cauchy residue theorem says integration over the closed curve C f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I times R1 plus R2 plus and so on plus Rn, sum of residues. Diagrammatically, if this is a contour, closed contour, and if our function f of z is analytic on the curve and within the curve except at these points, that means the function is not differentiable in the neighborhood of these points, then Cauchy residue theorem says the value of the integral is equal to 2 pi I times residue of the function at these singularities. Now what is mean by residue? So we have the formulas of residue, that means residue at pole of order 1 and residue of pole of order more than 1. So residue. So first is, if z is equal to A is a simple pole, that is pole of order 1, then residue at z equal to A is R1, which is limit at z tends to A, z minus A into f of z. And the second formula is, if z equal to A is a pole of order 2, 3 and so on, that is pole of, in general, pole of order n. Second, if z equal to A is a pole of order n, then residue at z is equal to A is R equal to limit at z tends to A 1 upon n minus 1 factorial n minus 1th derivative of z minus a raised to n f of z. If z equal to a is a pole of order n, that is pole of order 2, 3, 4 and so on, then residue theorem, residue at z equal to a is limit at z tends to that a 1 upon n minus 1 factorial n minus 1th derivative with respect to z of z minus a raised to n f of z. So these are the two theorems. These are the two formulas to find the residues.